also offers a number of tools and components for completing the track circuit connection. Arico's Signalman's stripping tool is used to easily and safely remove the insulation from the bond strand so that it can be connected to the web bond or track connector. The stripped end of the bond strand can be inserted into the compression sleeve of the web bond, and the two can be connected by using the Arico compression tool, part number SBT031DJ. This tool securely crimps the compression sleeve around the stripped cable end. The bond strand is fastened to the rail by using a series of track clips. The clip used nearest the web bond, part number SBA254A1, is simply tapped onto the base of the rail with a hammer. Track clips used for running bond strand parallel with the rail, part number SBA251, are also installed simply with a hammer. To finish the installation is the track clip, part number SBA248B, which is designed to fasten the bond strand perpendicular to the rail. This clip allows the cable to be held in position under the base of the rail. The Arico spring steel clips provide for reduced maintenance and a safer work environment. For special track work, like frogs, the welder can be used with a clamp or may be hand-held by moving the clamp out of the way. Tighten the wing nuts into the counterbore holes located on both sides of the mold to prevent loss. Arico also offers an extension clamp welder, part number SBC105R, for clamping across the frog as seen here. Now we'll review with important CAD weld bonding tips. Successful connection preparation requires the following. Preheat the molds before the first connection of the day. Check bond terminals and discs for rust or corrosion. Clean and/or replace accordingly. Check mold conditions for cracks, wear, or chipped corners and replace accordingly. Use the welder height adjustment screws to position the bond wire to the proper position on the rail. Welders should be clamped firmly to the rail, but not so tight that the clamps are difficult to close, thus avoiding breaking or damaging the molds. Make sure the bond wire terminals are pulled up against the bond clips to ensure proper positioning in the weld cavity and proper flow of the CAD weld metal. Place the disc in the mold, concave side up. Don't pour the weld metal into the mold. Remember to place 1/2 of the starting material in the mold and 1/2 in the cover. Always use the mold cover and wear safety equipment as specified. Stand upwind and on the field side of the rail when igniting the weld. Successful rail preparation requires the following. Remove grease and oil from the rail before grinding. Only use grinding and cleaning wheels approved by Arico for CAD weld applications. It is important to grind off any lipped rail to ensure proper fitting of the mold against the rail when making head bonds. Avoid making connections to the web of the rail over the rail brand. Arico supplies the complete system and necessary accessories for the proper installation of signal bonds to either the head or the web of the rail. For special applications, information, or installation assistance, please contact the Arico Rail Electrical Products Sales Department at 1-800-447-7245.